Hello Queens and Kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning, and welcome to all our new Queens and Kings. So today I have a DIY, which is a Chanel Florist canvas, which I was also inspired by one of my YT friends here, and her name is Chelles, but she goes by the name of Chelles Glam Home. So if you haven't checked her channel out, I advise you guys to go over and check her channel out after you see how I created this gorgeous florist canvas with the inspiration of Chelles. So here are the items that I will be using, which I am using an old canvas, as you can see, glue gun, glue sticks, as well as some Dollar Tree flowers, and this Rust-Oleum dark gray and silver spray paint here, and as well as some scissors, which I did not include that. So now all I did was take the canvas outside, and I'm just going to spray paint it with the dark gray first, and I'm just gonna spray paint that all over till I do not see no more of this old teal color here. Then once it dried and everything, I did went over it with a little bit of the silver spray paint, which I'm showing you guys here, which I did not show it on camera because I just put little specks of silver spray paint on the board. So now I'm just plucking the roses off of the stems, and I think I used 5 or 6 bunches, but I'm not sure. So this is how they all look. Now I'm taking my scissor and cutting off that extra piece of stem off the back of the rose that will prevent these roses from laying flat as possible. So therefore, that's what you want to do. Try to get them to lay flat as possible, but you don't want to cut it too short, because if you do, the flowers will tend to fall apart. So I'm going to continue doing that until I think I have enough roses. Okay, so now all I'm doing here is just taking the roses and I'm arranging them on the canvas in the form of the Coco Chanel logo, which is the double C. Now on this canvas, I do not have anything drawn. I do not have anything written down. I do not have any outlines or nothing like that. I am using my naked eye. I am eyeballing this, and all I'm doing here is just basically trying to center it, because I want it to be centered as possible on the canvas, since I'm not using no type of sketch or anything like that, or no trace or something that I can trace over to actually center it, if that all makes sense. But I'm gonna continue doing that until I get the desired look that I want, and I'm comfortable with it, and it looked like the 2 double C's to me, and it looked like the Chanel logo. Okay, Queens and Kings, so now that I have formed my double C, I have formed my Coco Chanel logo and everything, all I'm going to do now is just take my hot glue gun and I'm just going to glue them down. Right where they at, I'm just going to pick them up and I'm going to glue it down. That is it. So therefore, I don't have to move anything and lose the shape and the design and everything. I will have to reshape it or whatever. So I want to give a big shout out to Chelles Glam Home for this inspiration. Girlfriend, I love your channel. I love your work. I love everything that you do on your channel. So if you Queens and Kings have not seen her channel, please go ahead and check it out, because I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed. I will leave a link to her channel down below so you guys can actually check out all her gorgeous and amazing work that she does. So here is my finished effect. Here is my inspiration. Here that you see that I have it hung up on the wall and everything, and you see that I do have some glitter, specks of glitter in it. So yes, I did go back and put some glitter and everything, because you know I had to put a little more glam, because I know you guys seen those silver letters in the beginning, which I did not use, because you can see my double C's is actually taking up the canvas and everything like that. So I decided not to use it, but I did have to bring some more other type of bling and glam onto this canvas, and I love the way that this turned out. I really do. So if you Queens and Kings enjoyed this little simple Chanel Florist canvas DIY, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if you will make one for your family or friends or anything like that. Subscribe to the castle if you are new, and please share as well. With all that being said, you Queens and Kings have a lovely day, and I will see you all in the next easy DIY. Bye.